Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change background in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website and download the actual application. After that, you can go of course and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the file, edit, tools, view, export and help options, but the export is not available because we don't have anything inside the program at the moment. We also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change background in Filmora. Well, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps, guys. So basically, let's say we have a video here inside. I'm going to put a sample video just a second. So let's put a video. So we have a video here in here, just a second. And here it is. Now what we want to do to make a background, we can see the video here. We're going to be making the video a bit smaller so the background will be fitting. Now what we want to do, so you just need to go and put a picture in. So you need to go and find a picture, drag the picture here. And then when you're there, you just need to go and drag the picture underneath below the actual video. So the video is here, I need to put it here, and we need to put the picture underneath. And as you can see, voila, it is there. So basically when I go like this, you can see that the background is changed through our whole video. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.